And after a sudden spike of over 6,000 cases since the past 3 days, Maharashtra on Monday has reported 5,210 new cases. Currently, Amravati city and 5 other districts are under complete or partial lockdown. Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray is going to be holding a meeting at 4:30 p.m. with BMC Commissioner to review the COVID situation. Over the past 3 days, 17,500 people so far have been fined in Mumbai for not wearing masks in public places. The efforts are underway to tackle the case rise in the city. BMC Commissioner Iqbal Singh Chahal has said that the next 10 days are going to be crucial. He has added that the officials are keeping a close watch on the enforcement of the norms. COVID crisis is also struck the Uddhav cabinet, with senior NCP leader and Minister Chhagan Bhujbal testing positive for COVID-19. Almost 60% of the ministers from the Aghadi government have tested positive so far.
पिछले कई दिनों से महाराष्ट्र में भी नंबर बढ़े, खास करके 3 जिलों में, और एहतियाती कदम सरकार ने उठाए हैं। कुछ जगह पे लॉकडाउन लगाया है। भीड़ भड़का ना हो इसके लिए शादियों में पाबंदी लगाई गई है, सार्वजनिक कार्यक्रमों में पाबंदी लगाई गई है, और हम प्रयास कर रहे हैं कि आने वाले दिनों में कोविड को नियंत्रित किया जाए। और कुल मिला के जो हेल्थ इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर है इलाज के लिए, सभी जिलों में ढंग से सारे इंतजाम किए गए हैं, लेकिन एहतियात जरूरी है और सरकार एहतियातन प्रशासन को कहा है कि जो भी उचित होगा आप निर्णय लें।
कोरोना का रुग्ण बढ़ रहा है, तो मुझे लगता है मुक्कापट्टी लगा के थोड़ा सा डिस्टेंस रख के अपना काम करके निकलते तो कोरोना को रोकने का जो प्रयास चालू है उसमें हम सबसे मुंबई पुलिस को कल से दिया है अधिकार, और वो लोग भी अभी साथ में काम कर रहे हैं।
Rising COVID cases in Maharashtra has prompted administration to take a lot of steps. On Monday, Mumbai reported 760 new cases, wherein the state of Maharashtra reported 5,200 cases. In Maharashtra, there are 5 districts where there is lockdown or night curfew restrictions. In Mumbai, it's a populated area. Trains are open every day. People are going to work and coming back from it. Mumbai for now has decided to employ more marshals. 25,000 cases of people not wearing masks is the target for Mumbai. They have also changed the guidelines wherein if 5 cases are found in a building, the building will be completely sealed, because most of the cases in the cities are coming from non-slums areas. It's a crucial time with an ultimatum of 8 days given by Chief Minister to the state. If cases are not under control, then measures like lockdown could be taken. With camera person Mangesh Ambre, Mustafa Sheikh in Mumbai for India Today.
Let me now cut across to my colleague Akshita Nandagopal, who will now tell us what is allowed in the state of Maharashtra after this COVID surge. Over to you, Akshita.
Maharashtra is now the worst hit state in the country by coronavirus, with cases surging, steps already being taken to ensure crowds don't gather in large numbers. So here are the steps the administration has taken. Government meetings, physical meetings are not allowed. Everything will become virtual again. This at a time when several ministers have also tested positive. Large-scale protests will not be allowed. Permission will not be granted for any agitation, because remember that already the Shiv Sena has come out to blame the BJP for their agitation. Similarly, religious gatherings will not be allowed. Permission will not be given for the time being for any large religious congregation. Political tours, campaigning, none of that is going to be allowed. So no big rallies that can happen in the next few days. Similarly, besides religious gatherings, also religious tours, there will be a ban on for the time being. So there will be no permission given for any sort of religious event.
After Maharashtra government has given an 8 days ultimatum before imposing lockdown in the state owing to sudden surge in coronavirus cases, India Today has done a reality check to see if people are even paying attention or heed to the appeal. Here's a report by my colleague Mustafa Sheikh.
The coronavirus scare is back in Maharashtra. The sudden resurgence after a period of low cases has stirred the state government into action. The Chief Minister has threatened another lockdown if people don't heed basic norms that have been imposed.
लॉकडाउन अगर नहीं चाहिए तो जो 3 चीज हमेशा मैं कहते आ रहा हूं, मास्क पहनिए, हाथ धोइए और एक दुसरे से एक सुरक्षित अंतर रखिए. देखते हैं येत्या 8 ते 10 दिवसामध्ये किती जणांना लॉकडाऊन हवाय, किती जणांना लॉकडाऊन नकोय.
India Today did a reality check to see how the rules were being followed.
मास्क पहने बिना हम लोग तो छोड़ते नहीं गाड़ी में, और आज बहुतेक सब ज्यादा करके सब लोग मास्क पहन के ही आ रहे हैं. और सब पहले जैसा अभी आप बता रहे ना कि मुख्यमंत्री, उसके पहले पैसेंजर इतना केयरलेस करते थे कि कैसा भी ऐसे लगा इधर आके लगाने का, कभी ऐसा छोड़ के जाने का. तो हम लोग सब वो अभी देख के ही करते हैं कि अभी सब बराबर लगाते हैं मास्क, तभी अंदर छोड़ते, नहीं तो छोड़ते नहीं हम.
But not all are taking the Chief Minister's message seriously. Some made excuses.
मास्क किधर है? मास्क मैं काम पे, मैं उधर भूल गया मैं.
Others feigned ignorance.
मेरे को प्रॉब्लम है, मेडिकल प्रॉब्लम है मेरे को.
अच्छा, आपको मेडिकल प्रॉब्लम है तो आप मास्क नहीं पहन सकते?
हाँ.
सीएम ने भी बोला 8 दिन का टाइम दिया है, मास्क पहनो, ऐसा बोला. केसेस मुंबई में बहुत बार सुने नहीं, सीएम क्या बोले?
नहीं सुना, मेरे घर में टीवी नहीं है बॉस.
Police feel that people in general understand that there needs to be a collective responsibility.
बहुत फर्क है. बहुत जन मास्क वेयर कर रहे हैं अभी, बहुत जन. लेकिन कोई तो पुलिस के पावर में दिया है उनका ये करने के लिए.
Most Mumbaikars we spoke to expressed concern over the rising cases in state and felt that another lockdown will sound the death knell for small businesses.
बहुत गड़बड़ हो जाएगी अगर लॉकडाउन हो जाता है वापस तो वही है जो पहले 8 महीने हम लोगों ने सर्वाइव किया है, वैसे ही तकलीफ हो जाएगी वापस. तो चाहता हूँ कि नई लॉकडाउन हो.
There are negligence which has been there, so I think that negligence should be avoided. Everyone should be responsible so that this situation should be avoided. Yeah, this is for everyone.
There was a considerable difference seen. People were wearing masks. Many of them who were caught and fined were wearing masks below their nose. But there was a difference. This is according to the frontline workers we spoke to, who said that people have started to follow this COVID protocol, but these guidelines have to be followed with discipline for coming 14 days for Maharashtra to avoid another COVID wave. With camera person Mangesh Ambre, Mustafa Sheikh in Mumbai for India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.